Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. And if you've seen this logo on one of my videos, stay tuned because I just figured something out. I was actually watching TV and looking at my video on the phone and kind of realized what I could make it better. So we're going to go to group and ungroup this. Now I'm going to nudge these texts out of the way just to make life easier. I'm going to nudge the red out of the way. I'm going to nudge the red of his eyeball out of the way. And then I am going to, I don't have to do this, but I'm going to go ahead and take away the gray fill. Now, if you remember from the other video, we have two different colors of black and of gray. And then all we had to do to fix that was to left click black, go to object and combine it. And now it's all black and all even. But when you want to fix these rough parts in the nodes, if you left click, right click, I don't know how that, I did not, okay, what I did not combine that when I must have skipped it or not had it marked. But then I'm going to left click, right click, and if you remember in the past video, I had to remove all these interior lines. Then I was actually sitting there watching, I'm going, they're all interior lines. We don't have to do that. We can take a rectangle, draw a rectangle, take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in and nudge it out of the way. And then we go left click, right click, go up to object and go to break curve apart, get rid of our rectangle. Now we've gotten rid of all those interior lines. All those interior lines that we had to go and remove. Now you're going to need to break this apart to get his nostril and his eyeball. And then you can use the Smart Fill tool. You almost have to use the Smart Fill tool in this case. You could really just hit a black, but then you're going to get that and not the spaces. So if you use the Smart Fill tool set on black, you can do that. The only disadvantage is you have to individually do these lines. But the reason we did that is so you can clean up these nodes easier because now there's no broken lines on the middle. Now we do have an outline, so we can take that outline away. Actually, we can move it out of the way and then clean this up without worrying about that other line and just take the shape tool and delete some nodes or, get out the smoothing tool like we did before. And that's still too big, 0.2. And then just smooth out these edges. Make sure you click on it before you get it to work. But anyway, then you can just take this item back. And so because we've nudged everything, we can move it right back to where it belongs. I think we lost it. No, I nudged his eyeball over there. But that's a lot easier way to do things. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.